Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken Siren Head in Siren Head Morphs Roblox. First, you need to load into the game and head towards the main forest. Look for the large waterfall. The entrance to a hidden cave is usually nearby. Once you find it, carefully enter the cave to start your journey. This initial step is crucial for accessing the special area where the Kraken Siren Head Morph resides. Once inside the cave, follow the winding path. It can be a bit dark, so pay close attention to your surroundings. You'll need to find and collect 3 glowing blue orbs that are hidden in different sections of the cavern. Be careful, as there are some moving obstacles you'll want to avoid to prevent being reset. Patience is key as you navigate these tricky passages. After collecting all 3 blue orbs, proceed to the central chamber where you will find an ancient pedestal. Place each orb onto the pedestal, which will then activate a small light puzzle on the nearby wall. Solve this puzzle by matching the patterns. Once completed, the pedestal will glow brightly. Interact with it to successfully unlock and claim your Kraken Siren Head Morph. Congratulations! Now that you have the Kraken Siren Head, don't stop there. The game has many other unique morphs and secrets waiting to be discovered. Try revisiting different areas or exploring new maps to find them. Playing with friends can also make the search more fun and efficient. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep exploring and enjoy your new morphs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.